Alright guys, it's just a simple little mod on the GTR today. It's to change the 161 bulbs in the interior of the car to some better LEDs for some better lighting. So it's just a quick 5-10 minute mod. So we'll do one of the doors first, and then we'll do one of the interior top and one that sits on the roof lining one. They're pretty hot, so you'll need a set of gloves for them, but these are not too bad. The best way I've found to do these are just use a little prying tool. They basically just pop off. There we go. Pop it to the side. And again, these just pop out from the side. Now the best way to do these is, let's see if I can do it, is actually to, let's see if I can hold the camera between my legs. So she said is actually to pop them out the housing. There we go, and they pop out. And then it's just a case of pulling them out. So we'll set that there. And as you can see, they say 16 Toshiba 161. See if it picks it up. There we go, Toshiba. See if it does it better on there. Yeah, Toshiba 161. So we can put that aside. These are actually T10s. I'll put a link in the description where I got them. I think I got a pack of them, 20 or 10 I think. So pop these in, 2 seconds. So again, they're very easy to go in. They basically go in one way, and they just pop in. Simple as that. To make sure they test okay, pop the cable in. There you go, the light up. The connector goes on this side, and just basically pop in. It's hard to do with one hand. Let's see if you can do it. I'll need to use the other hand because I'm right-handed, and they pop in like so. There we go. That's the new LEDs in. Absolutely fantastic. And the covers, they go on the bright or the clear side, they go on the bottom, and again they just pop on, and that's the difference. So we'll do one of the interior lights now, and that's pretty much it. Easy as that. Alright guys, let's do the other one now. Alright guys, bear with us. Trying to do this one-handed. So this is obviously the interior one. Again, it's just a case of jimmying these out. They're held in with 4 little clips. You just obviously need to be careful while prying them out, just in case obviously you break one of the clips. But they're not that hard to come out if you just take your time. Obviously I'm doing it one-handed and with a camera, and it is pretty difficult. So let's see if we can get this one out. Once you start messing about with it, the light will pop on, so they become very, very hot, so just be careful. There we go. And the last one is, come on, come on, come on, come on. Get out, you wee bugger. There we go. Simple as that. So it's held in with the 4 little tabs, so just be careful you don't break them. These are very hot, so I've got a set of gardening gloves. So just pull the buggers out, and even then they're absolutely boiling. So we'll grab one from the bag. Again, these are ow, yep, they're definitely warm. Touch my hand. These are the T10s, the LEDs. I'll put a link in the description where I got them. Cost pennies, but make a huge difference to the car. Just a case of popping them into the socket. Let's see if we can do this. Put them in. Come on, in you go. Is it right? There we go. And job a good one. So all done. Pop on the cover. I'll with my dash cam, and you can see the difference already. So that's how easy it is, guys. So I'll put the link in the description where I got these. I'm going to do that one and that one, and then obviously I've got the tail light to do as well, so we'll get that done. Alright guys, simple mod on the GTR. Cheers.